Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google business profile for local leads with Semrush. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Semrush account. Navigate to the listing management section from the main dashboard. Select Google Business Profile from the list of options. If you haven't connected your Google Business Profile yet, click on Connect Account and follow the prompts. Once connected, you'll see a summary of your business information. Review your current profile details for accuracy. Ensure your business name is consistent with other online listings. Update your address if it is changed. Make sure your phone number is correct. Add your website URL to direct customers to more information. Edit your business description to clearly convey what you offer. Use relevant keywords to improve local search visibility. Upload high-quality images of your business. Include photos of your products, services, or premises. Check your business categories and ensure they reflect your services. Add any additional services offered to provide more context. Make sure your operating hours are current. Activate messaging to allow potential customers to reach out directly. Monitor customer reviews and respond promptly to foster engagement. Use the Insights section in Semrush to track profile performance. Look for metrics on views and actions taken on your listing. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to improve lead generation. Periodically review and update your profile to keep information fresh. Consider seasonal promotions and special offers to attract more local leads. Stay informed about Google's updates to business profiles for new features. Apply these updates regularly to maintain a competitive edge. Track changes in local rankings to measure the effectiveness of your updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.